Hi, my name is Dr. Apeksha Khanna. I work as a senior consultant in the Department of Dental Sciences, Medanta Hospital. I'm here to talk about my area of specialization, which is root canal treatment, also known as endodontic treatment. So, to tell you about root canal, I have to tell you about the anatomy of a tooth structure. The outer portion of a tooth is known as the enamel, which is the hardest part of a tooth. This particular enamel is then followed by dentine, and inside the dentine there is a layer which is known as the dental pulp. The dental pulp is composed of blood vessels and nerves, and that is centered at the heart of a tooth. A root canal treatment usually happens when our mouth is inhabited by approximately 700 million bacterial species. And these bacterial species use sweet food and drinks that we normally take and release an acid that dissolves the enamel. Once the enamel is affected, it is followed by the dentine and eventually, last but not the least, the dental pulp. So when the infection has transferred and gone into the dental pulp, usually it becomes an abscess, which is also known as a collection of pus around the tooth. In such a situation, the patient usually has symptoms of pain and inability to bite. So some of the classic symptoms from which we define root canal treatment are there is an increased sensitivity to hot and cold, and also a dull throbbing ache that can linger on for a few minutes to hours, and sometimes patients would have to take a painkiller as well. Second most important thing that we notice in patients who need root canal treatment are that there can be tooth discoloration, there can be pus discharge, there can be a localized or a generalized swelling as well. So coming to the main thing, what exactly is a root canal? In a root canal, we usually numb the patients, which is the first and foremost, so that the patients don't experience any pain. After numbing, we isolate the tooth with the help of a shield so that the saliva in our mouth doesn't contaminate the root canal system. We access the chamber through the crown and we go in and disinfect, clean the canals and disinfect it and place a filling material. This is usually followed by placing a final filling or a crown so that the patient can start biting on that side. A root canal may be done in a single sitting or multiple sitting. Single sitting usually means that the procedure is completed in one visit. In a multiple sitting, the patient has to come back once or twice for the final filling. One more thing that we've noticed is that there are a lot of patients who come who have had infections in a root canal. In such situations, we can carry out the root canal all over again and still save the tooth. A root canal treatment is a very successful treatment which offers a success rate of approximately 95%. And nevertheless, there's nothing better than saving your natural tooth. So the common myth that people have about root canals are that they are very painful procedures. But on the contrary, patients who've had root canal treatment are 6 times more likely to have a painless procedure as compared to patients who've had tooth extractions done. It's a fairly pain-free procedure. It is cost-effective. And the most important point is that there is nothing that can feel, look, and function like your natural teeth. So yes, definitely I would tell all the patients to try and save their teeth because this is the best available option.